Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday evening. This is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com. Taking a look at the dollar index 4 hour analysis to start off. As we can see here, we've been hovering pretty much above that 89.65, 64 level for quite a few candles now, as you can see. And we're really respecting the downward trend here. I expect as long as we can get that nice breakout here, which I think we're going to see very soon, is a move above the downtrend line here, start piercing above the 89.97 level or 90, however you want to call it, and we start looking to fill the gap that we do have back here around 90.17. And I think that we end up taking a pause around that 90.37 level, and then we see a bit of a pullback here, trying to establish support at the 90.15 level. Worst case scenario at the previous resistance level, start establishing support around that 90 mark. So looking at the hourly time frame, what I'm paying special close attention to is the 50 period moving average, and as well as this 89.65 level. So that's been the key level for me to, basically say that the dollar is still going to hold its own for a little bit here. I'm watching to see if we can break out of this wedge pattern here that we have. I know I don't have the line drawn here, but those of you at home, you can do that yourself. And I'm watching the 50 period moving average. So things are very tight here, getting, very minimal movement within the price here. So I expect that soon we'll see that nice move back up to test that 90 level, might see an initial knee jerk move back down to around 89, 88 or so, and then see another push up higher. And then we'll start talking about revisiting those upper levels, as again, back to the 4 hour time frame. That is the 90.17 level, and then onwards to about the 90.35, 90.38 level. So that's what I expect to see heading into the end of the week here. And then longer story is we start looking at the dollar maintaining itself around 90, seeing a move back up to test the 90.90s, and from there I'll have to update you all after we get there. But I am leaning at a move back down to the lower levels. So imagine that after we do hit the upper levels, and by the upper levels I mean around the 90, 88, 91 level, I could see us going as a max high to around that 91.50, 91.60 level, and then I do believe we see a pretty strong reversal and even a breach below the 87 level. So that'll all come as we get there. Near term though, I do identify the areas here. 89.65, that's a key level to watch for the price to continue to move up higher for the dollar index in the event we do break down here, which I don't see that as that likely at this point in time. Then we'll be looking at 89.40 to the downside, and then 89.11 as the next two levels of support to watch out for. And that obviously changes the game for the dollar index, which would lead more to sideways consolidation to a potential more bearish look overall. But again, I don't see that happening. I am thinking that we do see the dollar spike back up and ultimately start hitting the 90.40 and then the 90.80 to 91 levels.